about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I am Courtney B and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are an OG, thank you so much for clicking on this video and for always supporting your girl. If you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. In today's video, I am going to be doing a DIY door round for my front door. So that's what today's video is all about. I've never made a door round before, so it'll actually be my first time ever making one, and also it'll be my first time working with a router. So if you guys want to see how I create my door round, just go ahead and make sure you stay tuned. Alright guys, so I wanted to let you guys know that my husband went ahead and made a circle jig for my router, and we just went ahead and put our measurements on here, and I went ahead and measured my front door also, and I know that I want my round to be 18 inches, so we went ahead and put the screw in on the 9-inch spot so that we'll be able to make a full 18-inch round. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I have the round all cut out and it is sanded, so I just wanted to show you guys how it looks, and also I wanted to let you guys know that I went ahead and rounded the edges. So yeah, this is how it looks on the edges, and then this is it. So next up, I'm just gonna go ahead and figure out what stain I want to use, because I think I'm gonna stain part of it, I'm gonna paint another part of it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make a stencil so that I can put either welcome or something to that effect on the round. Alright guys, so both sides of my round is dry from the stain. So next up, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the tape down, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on putting my stencil on, and then I'll paint. I wanted to let you guys know that the paint color that I chose is actually a new paint. I've never worked with this brand before. I picked it up from Ace, and it is just the Clark and Kensington brand, and I chose the color Ivory. So hopefully I will like this. The sales associate did let me know that this paint is pretty thick, so that means I shouldn't need a primer. So hopefully it'll turn out good, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started on painting. Sign is all dry. I went ahead and polycriliced it and let it dry. So I want to show you guys how it looked, and I also want to tell you guys I decided to add some black to it. So yeah, this is how it looks so far. So next up, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up with decorating it, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a ribbon that I had purchased from Walmart around Christmas time. I'm not sure if I will be able to find a link for this, but I will try my best. If I cannot find the exact one, I'll try and find something similar. So make sure you guys check out the description box below. So I'm gonna use this, and then I also want some greenery. So I'm just gonna put these little, this is eucalyptus, and then these little flowers. I got these from Dollar Tree. Eucalyptus, I believe it was from Walmart. I'll try and find links for both of these for you guys. And then also, I wanted to let you guys know that I just installed some hooks on the back of it, just so that I'm able to, put some rope or put something on it so that I can hang it on the door. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, and I'm gonna get started on gluing everything on. My round, and I want to show you guys how it came out, and I think it came out so good. I am really proud of it, especially for it being my first time trying one of these. I do want to give you guys a few tips. As far as the paint go, I definitely do not recommend this paint. I would either stick with a chalk paint or any other brand besides the one that I got. I'll try and remember to link it down below if you guys don't remember in the video. Also, I wanted to let you guys know, I've also seen where several people will use E6000 just to attach the greenery. I used hot glue and it came out just fine, so that's a little tip as well. And then also, I do have a DIY video of how to make your own bow. So if that is something that you guys are interested in, I'll try and remember to link that video out also. And then I just wanted to let you guys know, I just was really lazy, so I did not want to make my own bow. So I just wanted to use what I had. And then also, if you guys do not have a router and do not want to make your own round, you can always go to Lowe's. And then I also saw some on Amazon, so I will link some extra ones down below also that you guys can check out if you guys don't want to make your own. But yeah guys, that is it. Comment down below and let me know how did I do, and if you guys really love my door round. That is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.